In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run sales by product report in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the report, how to set the right date range, and how to customize filters so you can quickly see which products or services are driving your revenue. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and head to your company's dashboard. From the main left-hand menu, select Reports. This is your reporting hub, where QuickBooks organizes everything from sales and expenses to profitability. You'll see sections for standard reports and, if you've saved any, your custom ones. Next, look for the report called Sales by Product Service Detail. You'll typically find it under the Sales or Sales and Customers category. If it's not immediately visible, use the search field at the top of the reports page and start typing Sales by Product Service Detail to pull it up quickly. Open that report. This one is great because it shows each transaction line tied to a specific product or service, including dates, customers, quantities, rates, and amounts. It's ideal for spotting best sellers, slow movers, or unexpected spikes in demand. Once the report loads, adjust the date range so you're looking at the right period. At the top of the report, choose a preset like this month, last quarter, or year to date, or switch to a custom date range if you need a very specific window. Make sure the from and to dates cover the sales you want to analyze. QuickBooks will refresh the view to show only transactions within that time frame, which keeps your insights clean and relevant. To dial in your analysis even further, click Customize. Then open the Filter section. Here's where you can narrow the report to exactly what you need. Filter by product service to focus on one item or a group of items. Filter by customer to see which clients are buying which products. You can also filter by transaction type, like invoices or sales receipts, to keep the report consistent with your workflow. If your company uses additional tracking fields, such as location or class, those filters can help you compare performance across stores, regions, or lines of business. As you apply filters, the report updates to reflect only the selected criteria, making it much easier to answer specific questions without scanning through unrelated data. Take a moment to review the totals and subtotals for each product or service. If something looks off, double-check the date range and filters you set. When you're done, you can clear filters to broaden the view again or tweak them to compare different products or periods. That's all there is to it. Simple, focused, and reliable.